On my way back to learning JavaScript, let me show the search method. We'll define a variable. I just add a couple of random colors. I print it out using document.write. And now I add .search, and inside with quotation marks what I want to search for. Let's say the color white. It finds the first occurrence, so I have white right here at position 18. You start at 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth until you've hit 18, in this case where the W is for white. There's a second white at the end, but as I've said, it finds the first occurrence. You may be wondering, this is the same as with the index method, so index of. So it finds the first occurrence. Both do that, both methods. But there is a difference. Search can also use regex. So if we, for example, use these slashes, it still finds white. But if I change the method to index of, this is not going to run anymore. We get -1. So search can use regex, regular expressions, and index of can't. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.